One of my friends who was a kid and had a tantrum because he sucked at this game, not because the game is bad, because he sucked at it, said, "Fuck Double Dragon 2. No, but we'll play it. Something bad might be coming. What is the drugs about? Damn. Escaping in the chopper! You'll never make it. Well, maybe if we get to the chopper! Oh, yeah. Well, the game glitched. I take it back. Fuck Double Dragon 2. You saw what happened. It said go down. I jumped. I splatted, I guess. I did the jump wrong, and then the game glitched. It showed me with 0 health. Why didn't it restart me or whatever is supposed to happen? Very disappointing. I was doing pretty good, I thought. Still had 3 lives left that I could have, enjoyed. Or maybe it was 2. I can't remember. Either way, that was not the end of the game. My friend happened to have a physical cartridge that he could chuck. Unfortunately, I don't. So maybe I will buy one just so I can throw it across the room in a rage. That's it for this week.